In this video, we are going to see some basic formulas, important formulas and tips and tricks of trigonometry. Whenever you see sine 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees, easiest way to remember them is write a table like this and make 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Divide everything by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4 and divided by 4. Make a square root of these. Square root, square root, square root and square root. Now what is 0 by 4? 0 by 4 is 0 and root of 0 is 0. Then root of 1 is 1 and root of 4 is 2. We are not writing plus or minus 2 here. We are considering only the positive values. You need to remember that. So 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. Root of 1 is 1. Root of 2 is root 2. Root of 3 is root 3. Root of 4 is 2. 4 by 4 is 1 and root of 1 is 1. This is how you need to remember that. Then coming to cos values, this is in the reverse order. So writing them in the reverse order, here it comes 1, here it is root 3 by 2, then comes 1 by root 2, then comes 1 by 2, then 0. It is the reverse of sine. That's it. Coming to tan, tan is sine by cos, 0 by 1 is 0, 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2 is 1 by root 3, 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2, same number divided by same number gives us 1, root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 gives us root 3 and 1 by 0 any number divided by 0 gives us not defined. This value is not defined. That's it. See, it's as easy as this to remember that. Coming to this table we will see at the end of the video. The basic formulas are sine theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. This is the theta angle. The opposite side is BC and hypotenuse is AB in a right angle triangle. So BC by AB. Similarly, we have written all the formulas for cos theta with reference to this diagram. This is with reference to the diagram, and if the diagram changes, all the values also change. So these are the formulas for tan theta. Tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. Cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sine theta. Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. And cot theta is equal to cos theta by sine theta. And their values are given here. Coming to next important formula, which is whenever theta is between 0 degrees to 90 degrees, this will be the value of sine theta, 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Similarly, these all are the formulas whenever theta is between 90 degrees to 0 degrees and whenever we are seeing the value of 90 degrees minus theta. Secant 90 minus theta, you can see it is equal to cosecant theta. Whenever the value of theta is between 0 degrees to 180 degrees, you can use this formula, which is sine 180 minus theta is equal to sine theta, cos 180 minus theta is equal to minus cos theta, tan 180 minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. Similarly, it works for cosecant, secant and cot theta. So for the values of theta between 0 to 90 degrees, when it is between 0 to 90 degrees, all are positive. What do you mean by all? Sine, cos and tan. All these three are positive. When it is between 90 degrees to 180 degrees, only sine is positive. S is positive. Sine is positive. Cos and tan is negative. Whenever the theta value is between 180 to 270 degrees, only tan is positive. T is positive. So tan positive, sine and cos are negative. Whenever the angle is between 270 degrees to 360 degrees, only C is positive. C means cos is positive, sine and tan are negative. So if we want to remember this, go in an anti-clock direction from the right hand bottom side. So it becomes CAST, cast. It is easier to remember that. Coming here, the next formulas which are very, very important in trigonometry, these are sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From this formula, these two are derived. Okay. Next is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. From this, these two you can get the cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. From this, you can get this. So if you can see, here it is positive. In another two, it is negative and negative. To remember secant, tan and cosecant cot, you need to remember C and C. Cosecant minus cot. Whatever is left out is secant minus tan, that is equal to 1. So you got it. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. These are the main important formulas. Coming to the last table which we have been waiting for, This is the table and the values. Got it? So this 90 degrees acts as a mirror. Whatever the values are reflection to this mirror. Sine values we have already known 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. So here if it becomes a mirror, the values are repeated. This comes here, this comes here, this comes here and 0 goes there. That's it. We know that cos is inverse of sine. So in the reverse order, we can write 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. When here it becomes a mirror for cos, this becomes, the values are negative values. So 1 by 2 becomes minus 1 by 2, 1 by root 2 becomes minus 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 becomes minus root 3 by 2, 1 becomes minus 1. This is how it is going to act. For tan also, this becomes a mirror here. All the values are negative here. Negative. Similar to cos, the mirror values are negative between 120 to 180 degrees. Cosecant, it is 1 by sine theta. So it is all the reverse values. 1 by 2 becomes 2. 1 by root 2 becomes root 2. Root 3 by 2 becomes 2 by root 3. And 1 becomes 1. 1 by 1 is 1. So anything 1 by sine theta, 1 by 0, here it becomes not defined. That's it. Here also it becomes a mirror. Similar to sine, all the values are positive. 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3. Root 2, root 2. 2, 2. Not defined, not defined. That's it. Coming to secant, it is similar to cos. Only the inverse value, reverse value. 1 by 1 is 1. Root 3 by 2 becomes 2 by root 3. And 1 by root 2 becomes root 2. 1 by 2 becomes 2. 1 by 0 is not defined. It is not defined here. Here again it acts as a mirror. For the mirror, all the values are negative here. Similar to cos, the values becomes negative. 2 becomes minus 2. Root 2 becomes minus root 2. 2 by root 3 becomes minus 2 by root 3. 1 becomes minus 1. That's it. For the cot values, you can write cos by sine or the reverse order of tan. The reverse order of tan, not defined, not defined. Root 3, root t, 1, 1. 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 0, 0. That's it. Got it. Here it again becomes a mirror with negative values. 1 by root 3 becomes minus 1 by root 3. 1 becomes minus 1. Root 3 becomes minus root 3. Not defined is not defined. It doesn't have plus or minus symbol. That's it. The trigonometry formulas, tips and tricks are completed. Let's meet in another video if you want us to solve some question and answers from trigonometry. Until then, bye-bye.